In this video, I'm going to go over everything you receive and how to assemble your utility cart from Lifetime Home so you know what to expect when your product arrives. There really isn't much to it. You get the cart, the wheels, and it requires no tools to put this together. You can do it all by hand. But step one is getting those front wheels in place. All you need to do is push them down and they'll click into place and then they'll be secure. The second step is putting the support beam into place, and you just slide that through the hole and you just put a little pin in there, and now it's secure and you're ready to move on to the next step. So the step number 3 is getting those bigger rear wheels on there. So how you do that is you put the washer in, the spring, you push the wheel in, and then you just attach it with a washer and a pin. You can do this all by hand. It was really simple, and just like that, the whole cart is assembled. I got this done in less than 10 minutes. It could not be easier. That final step, if you want to do it, is putting in that waterproof carrying case or storage bag. It velcros into place around the frame. It has nice handles on there, so whenever you're done shopping or using it, you can just pick it up by the handles and carry it into your home or apartment. But overall, it's like the perfect little shopping cart. It expands in seconds. You can push it back together. Once you have the wheels on there once, you never have to put them on there again. They just stay on there and you don't have to mess with it. But overall, this was simple to put together, affordable. It gets 2 thumbs up from